Finishing School Training. This program emphasizes training in all-round personality development, cultural and social activities of students, and specific skill sets are imparted as value addition. We prepare students to learn skills which will aid them to become future leaders and excel in personal and professional life. Why finishing school training is mandatory? Let me list it out for you. Number 1. Unpredictable internal and external environment. High demand of strong interpersonal skills. Number 3. Advancement in automation and artificial intelligence, which has replaced manpower in most of the industries. Number 4. Lack of proper goal setting and career plan. Number 5. Students' focus shifted more on remote platform, which hampers their social skills post-pandemic. Next, lack of team building and leadership qualities. Next, social media influence, which plays a huge role in today's generation. Next, peer pressure. We are also talking about friends and acquaintances around us. Last but not the least, exam and career stress. All these points lead to a very important section which is called Finishing School Training, which will help students to groom and prepare them for the future. Let us see the overview of the program. The training programs have been created with an objective of empowering students with tools and techniques for improving their personal and career domain, leading to improved employability and professional effectiveness. After doing the program, you will see the benefits as listed below. It will help build emotional intelligence in the students, foster interpersonal relationships with others, improve focus in class and examination, develop problem-solving skills, help improve communication skills, develop leadership qualities in students, help in goal setting and target achievement, discover study-life balance. In this training, we will cover the below modules. Number 1. Communication skills training. Number 2. Interpersonal skills. Number 3. Leadership. Number 4. Confidence building. Number 5. Time and stress management. Number 6. Interview skills. And module number 7. Goal setting and career planning. The Finishing School Training program is conducted both online and offline mode. The ultimate objective is to make each workshop exciting, energizing, empowering, and enlightening. And the methodology used are conceptual games and activities, simulated role-play, audio-visual learning, PowerPoint training supplementations, live demonstrations, brainstorming sessions, case studies and questionnaires, introspection exercise, follow-up action plan if required or as needed.
Hi, I am Nazneen Nongrum, a transformational trainer and an accountability coach, and I am on a mission to assist 1 million aspiring professionals to accelerate their career growth, overcome limitations, meet their goals, and achieve 10x success.